Dear students, I am Mehran Ali and you are watching Mehran TV YouTube channel. Today we will study American literature MCQs. So let's start. What is Catherine's position in the army in A Farewell to Arms? A novel written by Ernest Hemingway. The true answer is C. Voluntary Aid Detachment. Where is Henry injured most severely in A Farewell to Arms? True answer is B. His knee. Who operates on Henry in Farewell to Arms? The true answer is D. Dr. Valentine. What is Henry's job in the army in A Farewell to Arms? The true answer is A. Ambulance driver. What is the movable territorial line between the two opposing sides called A Farewell to Arms? The true answer is D. The front. What kills 7,000 men in the opening chapter in A Farewell to Arms? True answer is A. Cholera. What kind of weather dominates the novel A Farewell to Arms? The true answer is B. Rainy season. Who gives Henry clothes after he escapes from the army in A Farewell to Arms? True answer is C. Ralph Simons. Who boasts about his medal and rank in A Farewell to Arms? The true answer is A. Ator. Who warns Henry of his impending arrest in A Farewell to Arms? The true answer is A. Emilio. What does he give Henry to help him escape in A Farewell to Arms? True answer is D. A boat. What game do Count Griffey and Henry play in A Farewell to Arms? True answer is A. Billiard. How does Henry escape from the Italian army in A Farewell to Arms? True answer is B. He jumps in a river. What is Benjy's graveyard in The Sound and the Fury? The true answer is D. Two blue glass bottles full of flour. What object soothes Benjy in The Sound and the Fury? The true answer is the fire, the cushion from his mother's chair, a white satin slipper. All of the above is its true answer. What happens at the gate in The Sound and the Fury? True answer is A. Benjy grabs a neighbor girl and tries to rape her. Why is Benjy's name changed in The Sound and the Fury? True answer is A. Because mother wants to get rid of the curse. What was Benjy's name before it was changed in The Sound and the Fury? True answer is C. Maury. Who climbs the tree to see in the window during Demoude's funeral in The Sound and the Fury? The true answer is B. Caddy. Who is Demoude in The Sound and the Fury? True answer is A. The children's grandmother. What does Luster look for near the golf course in The Sound and the Fury? True answer is D. A quarter. Why does Benjy cry when he watches the golfers in The Sound and the Fury? True answer is again D. He thinks they are calling his sister's name. What does Caddy do when Benjy does not like her perfume in The Sound and the Fury? True answer is C. He gives it to Dilse. Who finally gives Luster a quarter in The Sound and the Fury? The true answer is B. Quentin. Where does the Lawman family live in Death of a Salesman? True answer is D. Brooklyn. But I am confused between Boston and Brooklyn, so please research on it. What is Happy's real name in Death of a Salesman? True answer is B. Harold. Why does Willie believe his sons will be more successful than Bernard in Death of a Salesman? True answer is C. Bernard is liked but not well liked. What does Willie promise the woman in the hotel room in Death of a Salesman? True answer is A. Stockings. Where did Ben become rich in Death of a Salesman? True answer is B. African diamond mines. So dear viewers, you can watch summaries of Death of a Salesman and A Farewell to Arms in on my channel, and you can get good information in those summaries, and your all MCQs will be covered, and you will get more comprehension about these topics, these MCQs, by watching those videos, those summaries created or developed by me. Why does Linda believe that her sons should treat Willie kindly in Death of a Salesman? True answer is B. He is human being and attention must be paid. Which character states nobody dost blame this man in Death of a Salesman? True answer is B. Charlie. What object does Howard have in his office that frightens Willie in Death of a Salesman? The true answer is A. Wire recorder. Why does Biff not go to college in Death of a Salesman? True answer is B. He refuses to go to summer school to pass math. Which of the following is not a problem that Biff has that Willie ignores in Death of a Salesman? True answer is A. Biff never trains properly for his game. Which character does not symbolize a type of success that Willie never achieve in Death of a Salesman? True answer is C. Stanley. Which of the following does Howard Wagner best represent in Death of a Salesman? True answer is D. An impersonal corporate mentality. Which of the following does not describe Linda Lawman in Death of a Salesman? True answer is C. Obedient. Why is Happy Lawman perhaps less self-assured than Biff in Death of a Salesman? True answer is C. Happy has never risked failure. Which of the following character does attend Willie's funeral in Death of a Salesman? True answer is again C. Charlie. Fearless creatures populate which place according to Charlie in Death of a Salesman? The true answer is A. Jail cells. Why did Biff not keep in contact with his parents when he was out west in Death of a Salesman? The true answer is C. He was in jail. which is not a sign of the Lomanson's arrested adolescents in Death of a Salesman. True answer is A. Both men rely on their mother for meals and for laundry. What causes the rift between Biff and Willy Loman in Death of a Salesman? True answer is D. Biff finds that Willy is having an affair. Why does Bernard not help Biff cheat on the regent's exam in Death of a Salesman? True answer is C. It is a state exam and Bernard could not be arrested. According to Happy, which character is a poet and idealist in Death of a Salesman? True answer is A. Biff. Why does the woman choose Willy Loman in Death of a Salesman? True answer is A. His sense of humor. For what does Linda criticize Happy in Death of a Salesman? The true answer is A. The true answer is A. Philandering. What was Willy Loman's father's profession in Death of a Salesman? The true answer is D. Inventor. A man is not a bird to come and go with the springtime. Which character make this statement in Death of a Salesman? The true answer is C. Linda. What has Dilsey bought for Benjay in The Sound and the Fury? True answer is C. Cake. What does Quentin do not do to his watch in The Sound and Fury? The true answer is B. He breaks it. He breaks his watch. What does Quentin buy in Harvard Square in The Sound and Fury? The true answer is D. A pair of flatirons. What does he plan to use his purchase for in Sound and Fury? The true answer is D. To weight himself off down. Who is Quentin looking for in the square? The true answer is D. The deacon. Why is he looking for this person in? The true answer is C. To give him a letter. What does Quentin mail to his father in The Sound and Fury? The true answer is D. The key to his trunk. Who is sister in The Sound and Fury? The true answer is A. The immigrant girl Quentin meets. What does Julio accuse Quentin of in The Sound and Fury? The true answer is D. Kidnapping sister. Who does Quentin meet in the town in The Sound and Fury? The true answer is A. Caddy and Benjay. What are the circumstances of Quentin's fight with Gerald in The Sound and Fury? The true answer is A. Quentin confuses Gerald with Dalton Amos. Why does Quentin return to Cambridge in Sound and Fury? The true answer is B. He needs to wash his clothes. Who is Miss Quentin in The Sound and Fury? The true answer is C. Caddy's daughter. Thanks for watching.